Hello, Juniper community members. I would like to show you how to access eBooks in the Lena Juniper Library collection from a home, school, or personal device. First, we'll navigate to the Lena Juniper Library Destiny webpage. Next, we'll click on the Catalog tab to start a catalog search. Change the material type drop-down to electronic book, ebook, and then click on the keyword search button. You do not have to enter anything in the text box. What you get is a list of all of the ebooks that can be accessed through the Juniper Destiny catalog. There are currently two types of ebooks that can be accessed through the Juniper Destiny catalog. Books with an ebook icon are less interactive and are more like ebooks you would get on an e-reader such as a Kindle or Nook. Books with a device icon are more interactive. You can open both types of ebooks by clicking on the Open button. For interactive ebooks, those with the device icon, clicking on the Open button will immediately launch the ebook. For traditional ebooks, those with an ebook icon, clicking on the Open button will take you to a login screen. For students, your username is your student ID number, and your password is your last name as it appears in Infinite Campus. For staff members, your username is the local part of your email address, the part without the @washoschools.net, and your password is your first name as it appears in Infinite Campus. I hope this video was helpful. If you have a question, please add it to the comment section, and thank you for watching.